Fáilte Arash, welcome back to our everyday Gaeilge weekly mini lessons. And on Seachtain Seo, this week we're going to look at how to say take it easy in Irish. Now we're going to do 3 different ways as well because there's more than one way, so stay tuned for all 3 ways and then choose whichever one is most familiar to you or that you prefer. So I'm starting with the one that you might have heard, which is Tug go buggy. Tug go buggy, take it easy. Tug go bug a. So tug is the verb to take in Irish. Bug is soft. So it's like take it softly basically. And then bug obviously pronounced like bug in English, B-U-G, and then E has a fada, so that's long, so it's A. So tug go buggy. Now the O here on go doesn't have a fada, so it's a short vowel, so that's why it's just go. Now another way to say it is tug gore. Tug gore. Now I do have this disclaimer down here that you can type anything into aber.ie and hear it pronounced in each of different dialects, because some words are pronounced different in different dialects. A lot of words are pronounced different in different dialects. For example, ray here is pronounced like a ray of sun in Connacht and Ulster, but in Munster it'd be more like rake. So you hear a G sound there, kind of like vague but with an R, rake. Togarege. Elsewhere, Togaree. But please do type it into aber.ie if you would like to hear it in one of the other dialects, so you could hear each individual word pronounced differently. Agus an ceann deireanach, the last one is gloch goree. Gloch goree or gloch gorege. And gloch is the verb to accept. Gloch goree. Gloch like clock, goree. Glockeree or Glockerege. But Arish, just type it into aber.ie if you would like to hear it in one of the dialects specifically. Agus sinnig an Seachtain Seo, that's it for this week. Now we have an everyday Gaeilge rusty to fluent series that's going to be starting soon. It was supposed to start later in the year, but that waitlist is really taking off and going crazy. So many people want to learn how to speak Irish like a native speaker, be more fluent and be more confident in their everyday Gaeilge. And learn Irish is actually really practical that you can actually use. So do pop onto that waitlist. It's down below in the description if you would like to get first access to our Everyday Gaeilge Rusty to Fluent series when it opens. Gur míle maith Arish, thank you so much again. Feice mé an Seachtain Seo hugan hu. I'll see you next week. Agus slán go fóill. Bye for now.